Welcome back, everybody. So today I'm going to be doing my very first ever hollow form. So originally I managed to pick up a number 1 and number 3 hollower, the mid-size from Easy Wood Tools. I'm going to also leave a link in the description for Daryl from Dreadnought Woodshop. He's an incredibly talented turner, does some beautiful work over on YouTube. He kind of gave me an idea to try and do a hollow form the second these tools arrive. So yeah, big shout out to Daryl. I will leave a link for his channel up there somewhere and also down in the description, so be sure to check out Daryl. I've got a piece of wood on the lathe behind me here, so yeah, let's try and do my my very first ever hollow form.
Do what you do, you know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say, I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me, maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, baby, all night. 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 I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. All night. All night. I try to stay calm, but it feels like I'm a ticking bomb. 'Cause I'm crazy for you. You know it's what you say and what you do. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me, maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, baby, all night. Rolex or your credit card. Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. Looking like a movie star, try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. Tryna buy me drinks and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks.